Hello, this is Brad Campbell with CIT 336. This is my enhancement number 8 video. I'm going to run the Acme page and we are going to go to the product Rocket. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to validate the CSS, no warnings. Go back to it. Next thing I'm going to do is validate the HTML. No warnings or errors. So I'm going to click on the rocket. It goes to full screen. You see it there. If I can move this over, we're going to check the responsiveness of it. And I'll slide this back in so you can see everything. So it's in the video. And we'll go back out. Choose the anvil. Maybe we're supposed to validate the HTML on this page as well. There we go. Go back. Go to Canon. Everything's working. I believe that's all I needed to do for this enhancement. I did have a question for you, Brother Robertson, if it's you watching this video, about, says you are my mentor, what I needed to do about next year with internships and all when I'm self-employed, and what's the best way to go about figuring that out. So I'll shoot you an email as well, but anyway, just wanted to get your thoughts on that. Appreciate everything. See you next week.